The Woods RC Series is a quality yet affordable rotary cutter for maintaining grassy pastures, fields, and recreation trails. The Woods RC Series is designed specifically for subcompact and compact tractors. Woods RC cutters are made in our factory in Oregon, Illinois with high-strength steel, robotically welded, and are powder coat painted to match any tractor color. Smooth slope decks are easy to clean and shed water and debris in operation. The tail wheel is constructed with a strong A-frame design and a solid laminated 15-inch wheel to resist bending when backing into immovable objects. Gearboxes are backed by a 3-year warranty which includes the seals. Gearboxes are also protected with standard stump jumpers and drivelines with either a shear bolt or a slip clutch. The deck features a standard full-length skid shoe with an optional bolt-on shoe for longer wear. RC cutters are Category 1 quick hitch ready. Standard safety shielding includes front rubber belting and a rear steel band, but also with an option of front and rear chain shielding, which is also available. To learn more about the RC Series or any Great Woods attachments, visit us at woodsequipment.com, follow us on Facebook or Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or give us a call at 1-800-31-WOODS.